how to add multiple Gmails in one account. So if you want more tutorials like this, click that subscribe button and as well as clicking that bell icon on for more videos like this. So what we are going to do first is go to your account. So I will show you how to add more emails from it. So here we have our Gmail account, and this is what you would see normally, and you would go to settings, and under the settings you would go to account tabs, and if you would see here, you would see that is displayed your name in your account or your Gmail account or your email that you are inputting when you are logging in. For me, this is alexdequina35@gmail.com. So there are two parts of this email account. Over this one before the @ sign and the other one that is after the @ sign. So what we would do is be this in the before of the @ sign, and after the @ sign, that is your domain. So what we would do is go and get this one before the @ sign. So example, you are in Netflix and you don't want to add your Gmail account, so that's type in the one that is before the @ sign and type in plus and Netflix. So this would be a valid one if you don't want to add your Gmail account for multiple websites, and this would serve as a multiple account, and it will also go to your account for the information of the website. So that's just simple. So if you want to go to the website, other websites, just add the plus sign and our keyword that is related to the website. So I hope this helps, and see you on the next video.